In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the correct ElevenLabs app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So you can get ElevenLabs on either Android smartphone or iPhone. So for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll take you through a step-by-step process to do it on Android. First, I'll delete this app and then walk you through these steps. Now, to get started, you need to look for Play Store app if you're on Android or App Store if you're on iPhone. Because I'm on Android, I'll tap on Play Store. Then make sure you are logged in using your Gmail before you can search for your app. So I'll search for ElevenLabs. So it is one word joined like that. And if you tap on it, you should see we have here the first app. As you can see, we have quite a number of AI apps, but we are interested in ElevenLabs. I'll tap on it to expose the details. Make sure it is from ElevenLabs Incorporation. So at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.6 with over 64,000 reviews, and the average file size is 24 MBs with over 5 million downloads. To get this AI voice generator app, tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of ElevenLabs, then install it on your smartphone. Once it is installed, you can proceed and open it from here, or if you go back to your apps, now you should be able to see your app here. Tap on it to open and create an account or log into your existing account. So as you can see, this is the welcoming interface. Now I can proceed and log in here. So that's how you can install the correct ElevenLabs app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.